Samsung didn't fully unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 2, but it did lift the covers a little bit so we can have a peek. Really, it focused on two displays and even then it held back some details. The internal screen has grown to 7.6 inch up from the 7.3 inch on the original Galaxy Fold. Also, the display incorporates ultra-thin glass for improved image quality. The external screen is much larger too. At a 6.2 inch, it covers the entire front when the Fold 2 is unfolded. The aspect ratio is taller than most phones out there, but you can successfully use the Fold 2 closed. Also, the front-facing camera and the internal cameras have both moved towards the punch-hole camera cutouts. There is no mention of price yet. Even details like chipset, cameras, batteries and so on are left for the later announcement, which is scheduled for September 1. And the XDA has additional info on the device, info that Samsung didn't confirm in the live stream or in the press release. According to the XDA developer, the inner screen will have a dynamic AMOLED panel with a 120Hz of refresh rate. The refresh rate is actually adaptable and it can be anything between 1Hz and 120Hz. There is no S Pen support despite some persistent rumor. The panel has 1768 by 2208 pixel resolution and there is no notch this time. Instead, the inside camera is a punch hole. The bezels are thinner than on the original Fold to boot. The outer display is Super AMOLED with 60 Hz of refresh rate and it's quite taller. The 816 by 2260 pixel resolution works out on a 25 by 9 aspect ratio. Both inner and outer displays support HDR10+ and the fingerprint reader is mounted on the side so that it can be accessible regardless of whether the phone is closed or open. It shouldn't surprise you that the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is powered by Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset and it comes with the 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM plus a 256GB of storage. The phone features a 5G connectivity, both sub-6 GHz and mm wave. The triple camera has same makeup as before. There is a 12 megapixel sensor with different lenses and the main camera features an optical image stabilization of f1.8 aperture and that sensor is quite similar to the S20. The other two sensors are telephoto and ultra wide and both the front facing cameras have 10 megapixel sensor and f2.2 fixed focal length. The battery has 4500 mAh for capacity and support 25 watt of wide charging and 11 watt of wireless charging. Plus you have an option for the wireless charging. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 will be available later this year and Samsung will sell this in two color variants. One is going to be the Mystic Black and the other one is going to be the Mystic Bronze, while there is going to be another Thomas Brown fashion focus limited edition. The new hinge borrows the flex mode idea from the Z Flip. This allows it to close part away so you can stand the phone in different locations. Samsung will let you to customize the hinge cover when ordering the phone from Samsung.com and this will be available only in select region. Normally the cover matches the color of the phone, but you can pick a ruby red, rich gold, platinum silver and sapphire blue. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 will be available for pre-order on September the 1 with more details on pricing and availability to follow. So guys, what are your expectations about the price regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and what do you think about this new design and new features which are included inside the Galaxy Z Fold 2? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and also please do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.